Welcome to AECORD, India's leading B2B platform for the built environment. It is here that architects, interior designers, engineers, and various other AAC professionals will be able to directly collaborate with verified product and material suppliers. You will be able to do so by utilizing the RFIs and the information shared by the buyers. Whenever they are working on a particular project, they would continue to request information, and that comes to you in real time. There's a step-by-step registration process which we have listed for you. Step 1, when you access the AECORD website, is to register as a verified seller. In this process, you can provide all your details like email IDs, phone numbers, registration, and other important aspects of your business. Whether you are an OEM, a dealer, or into lighting, and the kind of subcategory you are in, all of this information is collected. The company logo, GST numbers, and all other important registration details are also included. Once you are through with that, you will be asked to verify your email. When you click on the verification link, it takes you to a page to complete the registration process. Once level 1 is done, you move on to level 2 for complete registration. At a nominal amount of 99 rupees, you can confirm the payment and proceed to create your username and password. Once this stage is complete, you will land on an editable page. If you see a small pen icon, that means you can now start editing the information about your business in more detail. You can add a short introduction and describe what your product is all about. A more detailed page will appear. Once that stage is completed, your dashboard will show a complete listing of RFIs and how many you have responded to. For example, if you look into the RFIs, one could be for a cafe and another for a project in Bangalore, with specific units required, all listed accordingly. You can click on Subscribe to gain access. You can go through the details. An early bird offer is currently running, so check what works for your business to register. Once subscribed and registered, you will begin receiving details about where the information or RFI was created, and you can start collaborating with professionals to the next level, creating POQs and providing necessary catalogs and details. This will help them design the project better with a deeper understanding of your product. Welcome to the AECORD family. Do let us know if you have any other queries. Write to us at support@AECORD.com, mail to support@AECORD.com, or contact the number below. Thank you so much.